Welcome to the demonstration on Symantec Backupexec. So the idea of this, if you recall in the lecture, we had discussed the importance of backing up your data. So if you have an enterprise level network, then Backupexec is an extremely good choice. So we're just going to go over a few of the high points so you get an idea as to what it's all about. So I'm at the Symantec.com webpage, and they have a little diagram here. So if you install Backupexec and backup from local or remote source, so it's showing you here that you have quite a few choices of what you can back up. And you can back up to all of these media. So you could back up to disk, tape, appliance, or to the cloud. So really, you're going to take your data and you can put it almost anywhere that you like. In the old days, everything was done to tape. But remember, if you're going to go to tape, that you want to store those tapes off-site for the best security. And also they're showing you here that you can restore an entire server, an entire virtual machine, entire applications and databases. So what they're saying here is that not only can you back up and restore files, but you can back up and restore an entire server. And this is important because obviously you have applications and things that are set up in a certain way. You might not want that to be lost if you were just backing up files. So we can look here at the admin guide that Symantec gives you. And they give you a little thing as to how does Backupexec work. So it has the following features: convenient backup and scheduling. So like we said, that's the main thing here, is that you're going to be able to schedule things to be backed up as opposed to having to remember to back them up. So if you read here, it says Backupexec administrators can set up scheduled backups for Windows and Linux computers across the network. Backupexec's flexible calendar-based administration lets you easily schedule backups for processing during off-peak hours. So the takeaway from here is it lets you choose what you want to back up and when it will be backed up. So then they tell you here you get complete system recovery. Backupexec's simplified disaster recovery takes all the guesswork out of recovering an entire system. So this is what we had talked about before. That's important. Comprehensive monitoring and intuitive mechanisms for everyday tasks. The Job Monitor provides a single location to monitor and manage all of your backup, restore, installation, and storage operation jobs. So basically, you have one place where you're going to look and you can see if everything is working properly. So are your backup jobs running? Hopefully they are, but if not, you're going to know here. So you can see that the Job Monitor is where you're going to pretty much look at everything that Backupexec is doing and making sure that on a day-to-day basis that it's all working properly. Because the last thing you want to do is find out that it hasn't backed up for a week and then you have a crash. So that's just a little bit of overview into Backupexec, and that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching.